So I just unloosened all the bolts and the plug. I haven't got the old spanners, so I'm using, I've got to hover between a 13 and a 14 mil on this. So I'll just whip that out. And I'll go round and whip the rest of them bolts out, or nuts. Yeah, it looks like just the nuts come off rather than the main bolt. I want that quarter fitting, so I'll get 13. That one, the big whole lot's come out, head barrel bolt. Too small for them too. So I've got 2 nuts off and 2 long bolts. Oh, head should just come off now. Yeah, looks pretty good for the age. Weighty piece of kit. I was told this was running, but got a lot of play in. Well, the guy who I bought it off said that the guy he bought it off said it was running. So, 20 years ago. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, well, there's no rings in it, so it definitely weren't running. No shadow of a doubt there. I ain't got my pliers here, so I can't take the circlips out for that. So I'll just leave that on, but that's all I wanted to do today anyway. Barrel looks alright, only that. Heavy though. So we've got a gasket, piston, rings. Let's check the crank. Don't seem too bad just from an initial check. I'll give it a proper check though in a bit.